This is Frisco Live 415. In today's episode, we encounter a man who appears to be passed out with his head stuck inside the wheel well of a pickup truck and his feet sticking out into a lane of traffic. I immediately stopped in my tracks and began to see what was up. Unfortunately, my dashcam's SD card ran out of storage without me noticing, so today's footage is exclusively from the rear cam. While diverting the lane of traffic, I asked him if he would move to the sidewalk.
You mind getting out? Come up on the sidewalk.
You can see my shadow here as I try and get the attention from a street ambassador who is looking at us from across the street. Despite looking directly at me, he ignores my waving, so I begin to shout at him to try and get some help.
Can you help out here? Huh?
The street ambassador refused to get involved in the situation until I pleaded further.
Hey! Urban Alchemy! Can you call somebody to help this guy out? Can you call? Yeah.
At this point, a different city street ambassador posted up the block heard my pleas and approached the scene to offer assistance.
This guy needs your help.
Oh yeah, we tried to help him earlier, man, and called Paramedic. He keep refusing. He just got out of the hospital not long ago, man. I don't know what else to do. We keep calling him, and
I shit you not. His head was in the middle.
Both sides of his neck is cut to his
wheel
well.
well.
Yeah, no, he got a medical condition, and every time they come, man,
he's gonna get run over.
He's
gonna get run over here. Buddy, get on the sidewalk.
I think they already called.
Call again, please. I asked him to call.
Hey.
Did he call?
Talk to him right now. Dude right here. I know. We was dealing with him since earlier. He doing the same thing. They came, he leave, and
well, I mean, his neck was in the wheel well. It's not okay to leave him like that. You know?
I already know. But I mean, all we could do is call the medics and see if they come and help him out.
Yeah, that'd be good. That's what we're supposed to do, right? Yeah. Buddy, your foot's like a couple feet from the cars. What's your name, buddy? What's your name, buddy? No, don't scratch that.
Hello?
You got a major gash there.
Oh, there they go right there.
There's a man here who needs some assistance. He can't get up. He's kind of out in the street. Right on Market and Larkin.
Buddy, you all right, man? Can you come over here on the sidewalk for me? Come on, buddy.
Yeah, he's bleeding.
You can't get up? There you go.
All right, man. I don't know if he got hit or something, but watch out behind you, buddy.
Thank you, man. Yeah, for sure, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Where his neck was literally in the wheel well. Yeah. And he was passed out This is a flood. His neck was like he was sleeping with his neck and his head. I'm telling you, inside.
How did he get out?
He got himself out.
So his head was
His
in
head,
between
I'm
here.
telling you, it was there.
Was in here.